as we activate this digital countdown, let it serve as a daily reminder of our shared commitment to deliver a top-notch edition of WorldSkills ASEAN and to uplift technical education across the Southeast Asian region. Kaya dahil sa TVET, kayang-kaya ang tagumpay. Ladies and gentlemen, sabay po tayong magbilang. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The expectation, of course, is a greater awareness of TechVoc as a whole. But again, as I said kanina, kailangan nating palakasin ang ecosystem ng TechVoc. Kasi dadami at dadami ang mag-e-enroll. Ngayon pa lang dumadami na at lumalakas na ang demand ng TechVoc. So kahit na parang nasa isip natin na meron pa ring dehado pa rin sa paningin ng ating mga kababayan ng TechVoc. Sa totoo lang, maraming nakakaalam at nakakaintindi na kailangan nila ng skills para maging mas maganda ang kanilang trabaho. Kailangan nilang mag-upskill at mag-reskill dahil sa pagbabago sa world of work. So, I don't think that the increase in TechVoc enrollment per se is something that the WorldSkills will generate, because I think that's happening already even without the WorldSkills. But what this does is to show the entirety of the ecosystem of TechVoc and to allow it to become a well-oiled machine, kumbaga. Isang ecosystem na comprehensive, systemic, at siguro ang pinakamagandang pwedeng ipakita ay ang pag sinasabi natin na skills, ang dami hong klase ng skills na nag-uumpisa sa low kind of skills sa pinaka-high na klase ng skills. Lahat ho yan nandito sa WorldSkills ASEAN.